ISO 9001-2015 Quality Management System Consultancy Implementation Training and Certification Support by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Hello everyone, welcome to the official YouTube channel of URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. In today's highly competitive business environment, delivering consistent quality, meeting customer expectations, and continually improving business processes are essential for long-term success. Whether you are a manufacturing company, service provider, EPC contractor, healthcare organization, educational institution, logistic company, or government organization, implementing an internationally recognized quality management system can significantly improve your organization's performance. One of the most trusted and widely adopted standards in the world is ISO 9001-2015 Quality Management System, commonly known as ISO 9001. In today's video, we will discuss what ISO 9001 is, why it is important, its benefits, implementation process, certification journey, and how URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited can help your organization achieve successful ISO 9001 certification. Let's get started. What is ISO 9001? ISO 9001 is an internationally recognized quality management system standard published by the International Organization for Standardization. It provides organizations with a structured framework to consistently deliver products and services that meet customer requirements while complying with applicable statutory and regulatory requirements. Unlike product standards, ISO 9001 focuses on improving business processes. The standard encourages organizations to improve operational efficiency, enhance customer satisfaction, reduce process variation, manage risk efficiently, promote control improvement, build a culture of quality. Today, more than 1 million organizations worldwide have implemented ISO 9001 because it improves business performance and strengthens market credibility. Who should implement ISO 9001? ISO 9001 is applicable to organizations of every size and sector. It is suitable for manufacturing industries, engineering companies, automotive manufacturers, oil and gas organizations, EPC contractors, construction companies, pharmaceutical industries, food processing industries, hospitals, laboratories, educational institutions, IT companies, logistics companies, warehousing, trading companies, service organizations, government departments, startups, SMEs, multinational corporations. Regardless of your industry, ISO 9001 helps standardize processes and improve organizational performance. Key principles of ISO 9001. ISO 9001 is built upon 7 quality management principles. Customer focus. Every organization exists because of its customers. Understanding customer needs and consistently meeting expectations is the primary objective. Leadership. Top management establishes the organization's vision, quality policy, objectives, and commitment to control improvement. Engagement of people. Employees are valuable assets. Competent, trained, and motivated personnel contribute significantly to organizational success. Process approach. Managing activities as interconnected processes improves efficiency and consistency. Improvement. Organizations should continually improve products, services, and business processes. Evidence-based decision making. Effective decisions should be based on reliable data and objective evidence. Relationship management. Strong relationships with suppliers, customers, and stakeholders contribute to sustainable success. Major requirements of ISO 9001. The ISO 9001 standard includes several important clauses. These include context of the organization, leadership, planning, support, operation, performance evaluation, improvement. Organizations identify internal and external issues, understand stakeholder expectations, establish quality objectives, manage operational processes, evaluate performance, and implement control improvements. Risk-based thinking is integrated throughout the standard to proactively identify and address potential issues. Benefits of ISO 9001 certification. Let us see this. Organizations implementing ISO 9001 experience numerous benefits. These include improved product quality, better customer satisfaction, reduced errors, standardized processes, higher productivity, lower operational cost, improved supplier performance, better risk management, enhanced employee engagement, improved documentation, greater customer confidence, competitive advantage, international recognition, improved tender eligibility, enhanced business reputation, continual improvement culture. ISO 9001 is not just about obtaining a certificate, it is about building a strong and sustainable organization. Now, implementation process. Let's see this. Implementing ISO 9001 generally follows these steps. Step 1, gap analysis, understanding the current status of your organization. Step 2, planning, defining implementation objectives and project timelines. Step 3, documentation, preparing quality manual, procedures, policies, process maps, and operational documents. Step 4 is implementation, applying documented processes across the organization. Step 5, training, providing awareness and internal auditor training to employees. Step 6, internal audit, evaluating implementation effectiveness. Step 7, management review. Top management reviews the performance of the quality management system. Now, step 8, corrective actions, addressing non-conformities and improving processes. Step 9, certification audit. An independent certification body evaluates your quality management system. Upon successful completion, the organization receives ISO 9001 certification. Now, how URGS International supports your organization? Let's see this. URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited provides complete support throughout the ISO 9001 journey. Our services include gap analysis, ISO 9001 consultancy, documentation development, implementation support, process mapping, employee awareness training, internal auditor training, lead auditor training, internal audits, management review support, pre-assessment audits, certification coordination, surveillance audit support, continuous improvement consulting. Our experienced consultants help organizations implement practical, business-oriented quality management systems rather than creating unnecessary documentation. We focus on delivering value, improving operational efficiency, and ensuring compliance with international standards. Now, why choose URGS International? Organizations choose URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited because we provide experienced ISO consultants, practical implementation approach, industry-specific expertise, corporate training programs, internal auditor courses, certification support, competitive pricing, timely project completion, ongoing technical assistance, customer-focused solutions. Our mission is to help organizations achieve sustainable business excellence through internationally recognized management systems. Now, at last, closing message. Summary. Thank you for watching. If your organization is planning to implement ISO 9001 2015 quality management system, or if you require consultancy, implementation, training, internal auditing, or certification support, our team is ready to assist you. URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited is a trusted partner for quality, compliance, and control improvement. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +91 735945 8455. If you found this video useful or helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on ISO standards, auditing, inspection, certification, quality management, and business excellence. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to supporting your organization's journey toward quality today, excellence tomorrow. Please contact us through our WhatsApp number. We are 24/7 available on WhatsApp. Please message on WhatsApp.